Hi there. Today I'm going to walk you through how I pack up one of the small set pieces of the Itsy Ritsy like travel packing cubes. So the way I'm showing it today is as a insulin diabetes emergency kit for my husband. Now he's a grown man. He can do things on his own, but it is always good to keep a kit with me on any outing that we may go on. So everything fits in here really nicely, and this is super small and compact. I can throw it in my purse, a bigger bag, whatever I need, on top of what my husband might keep in his pockets. So I have a tube of what we call fast-acting carbs. They're just sugar tablets in case of an emergency. We're not somewhere where we can get food easily, or apple juice or something else, and he's getting really low before we can get to food. Just a package of the test tubes or sugar tablets. We always keep a pack in the car as well. He keeps them in his pocket, but just in case, or if we're walking and we're doing a lot of exercise, this is always good to have. I also keep a full portable tester with a pricker and a full container of test strips, so that we have those for if we run out, lose something, accidentally lose something. We got this to test sugar. We have a partial bottle of insulin in case we need to refill or insert again, and that's where I have an inserter and reservoir for that for his pump. And in case of an absolute emergency and the battery dies, I have a brand new battery ready to go. So keeping this all together in one little place really makes my life a little bit easier. It makes me feel definitely a little bit more prepared and happy, so that I feel confident that we are prepared for any disaster or emergency that may happen. Now, as long as I remember to grab this and throw it in my purse, we're golden. I don't have it, then I got some problems. But this is just one way that you can pack up one of the itsy ritsy little small bags, and because of the mesh, it's able to adjust to anything else I fit in. I could easily fit another thing of carbs, no problem, or sugar tablets. I could fit in possibly a small apple juice box if I didn't have maybe the tester or even the tester on top. Because of that mesh, I'm able to fit it in really nicely and, put a lot of different objects in there. I also don't keep food like peanut butter crackers or things like that. So I'm really considering, keeping a different bag with actual food snacks, but this is just a nice little grab and go. So I hope you found this somewhat useful, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.